Hello guys, welcome to Money Facts YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain about ROI, returns on investment. Let's go to the video guys. ROI, or return on investment, is a financial metric that measures the profitability or efficiency of an investment. It provides insights into how effectively an investment generates returns relative to its cost. ROI is typically expressed as a percentage, and is calculated by dividing the net profit or benefit of the investment by its initial cost, then multiplying the result by 100. The formula for calculating ROI is ROI equals net profit, initial investment, 100. ROI is a versatile metric that can be applied to various types of investments, such as business projects, marketing campaigns, real estate ventures, or stock investments. It enables investors and businesses to assess the performance of their investments and make informed decisions regarding resource allocation. A higher ROI indicates a more profitable investment, while a lower ROI suggests a lower return relative to the initial investment. It is important to consider the time frame over which ROI is measured, since it impacts the interpretation of the metric. Short-term ROI may provide insights into immediate gains, while long-term ROI considers the overall profitability over a more extended period. ROI is widely used in financial analysis and decision-making processes. It allows investors and businesses to compare different investment opportunities, prioritize projects, and evaluate the success of their strategies. By understanding the ROI of their investments, individuals and organizations can make informed choices and allocate resources effectively to maximize their financial returns. That's all guys, I hope you get some minor information about ROI. I will come with good content on next video guys. Bye guys, thank you for watching my video guys.